Hi everyone, this is Silvia from KOMATCO. We are the top construction machinery exporter in China with more than 16 years experience. Today we are going to visit the LUTONG factory and I will show you their popular products. Okay, let's go. Wow, what a beautiful machine. Look, this model LTC205 is the hottest selling model at the moment. Let me introduce it to you in detail. First of all, you can see that the weight of this roller is about 4 tons. It has a strong compaction ability to ensure the firmness and flatness of the rod. Secondly, this roller adopts a hydraulic speed change system, which makes the operation easier and improves the work efficiency. Now, let's check the engine. This is a Changchai engine, stage 3 emission. As we all know, the Changchai engine is popular in most Chinese machines, so you can see its good performance. Its rated power is 26.5 kW. This is one of the reasons why I like it very much, because it has great power. Finally, let's take a look at its smooth wheel roller. And there are mass scrimper and a sprinkler for all vibrating steel wheels, which can realize intermittent sprinkling. After listening to my introduction, are you also attracted by this machine? If you are attracted, please take action. Come to me for quotation. I will give you the best price. Bye.